Hi all, it is a very exciting day today to have all the students from our primary schools join us for a day of science experience. I'm just having a young student in school having the fun and excitement of enjoying science just for the sake of science in biology, physics and chemistry is absolutely fantastic. The kids had a lovely time, they learned a lot and most importantly, I can see in their eyes they're looking forward to come here to join us in the next couple of years to become scientists of the future.
We have been at Heron Hall all day and we have been learning about different science. So we've been looking at chemistry, biology and physics.
My favourite thing today was the elephant toothpaste experiment.
My favourite thing today was when we went on those molten lava.
My favourite thing today was discovering how aeroplanes flew and their friction.